Yes, yes. 1 rupee, 100 paise is equals to 1 rupee, and as 1 paisa is equals to 1 by 100 paisa, 100 by 1 by 100 rupees. That means to convert smaller units are this, and larger units. To convert a smaller units into larger units, we have already learned yesterday, that is division by a concerned number, respective number. Yes, to convert larger units into smaller units, already we have discussed about that, multiply by 100, because 1 rupee is equals to 100 pies. Okay, here one example is given, 7,800 pies can be also written as, దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు అంటున్నానా, 7,800 pies can be also written as, how many 100 pies are there here? There are 100 pies, 78 into 100 pies. 7800. So that 78 into 100. So 7800 can be written as it is 78 into 100. So 100 pies, you know that 1 rupee. 78 into 1 rupee, that equals to 78 rupees. Now I will give you one more example. Right, 5800 pies. 5800 pies. So 58 into 100 pies. Yes, 58 100 pies makes 1 rupee, you know. Yeah, 58 into 1 rupee. That equals 58 rupees. This symbol is very, very important. What is the symbol used to represent price rupees? Is this one. This is the symbol for denote rupees. So this is about the correction. Correction is conversation between the smaller units into higher units. Okay. Next, let us understand how to multiply given amount 15 rupees and 25 pies. Before learning about the multiplication, we just learn how to add and subtract. How to add and subtract. I'm going to stop the screen and let's take that whiteboard now. Right? Yeah, this is the whiteboard. What I told you, that addition of money. How to add money? Addition of money units. Right. First of all, you just take it. Addition of money law. First, mano add one example has given. Add 12 rupees and 17 rupees, like that. Okay, the one is given. So immediately I will go for to write rupees and pies. Make it 2 columns. Right, it is very clear. How many rupees are here? There are 12 rupees. You just write 12 rupees. Just only, and there is no pies at all. And then what about the next one? This is 17 rupees. So that will be very clear. So while arrange the numbers, we have to check everything. Why? Because if you do any mistake, then entire answer will be close. See that we are going to be add these 2 numbers. First of all, add up rupees, sorry, pies. 0, 0, 2 plus 7, 9, and 1 plus 1, 2. Together there are 29 rupees with us. Yes, you just, this is the way of adding rupees and pies. Next, and another example is for subtraction. Subtraction ela chestunam. Subtraction of money. Subtraction of money units. Simple, nothing is there. You just make one example problem. Subtract 5 rupees from 12 rupees. Okay. So to do this, you just go and write about rupees and pies. Bhavan, hey, I will also remove yourself. Rupees and pies. You just write subtract 5 rupees. So we need to subtract 5 rupees. 5 rupees ను మనం తీసేయాలి. ఎక్కడి నుండి? From 12 rupees. From 12 rupees, there is no pies, and 5 rupees should be arranged in with attention. Yes, we just subtract. We need to do like this. Yeah, there is no pies, simply subtract. Okay, 12 minus 5, we get 7 rupees. Yeah, this is the subtraction. So it is very clear to subtract. Vaishnavi, to subtract the numbers, it is very clear, right? Make a 2 columns, rupees and pies, arrange the numbers one below the other as for the given numbers, and then do the performance of as we can subtract whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers naithe manam ee vidhanga multiply subtraction and addition chestamo nana alage cheyandi. And clear is, make it 2 groups, rupees and pies. Clear? You just write here some xx. Yeah, that's it. Then you just do it, either it is plus or minus. Itla unte manaki clear ga untundi anamata. So it is very, then we'll go for the next. Yeah, we have to convert this. Now we came back. Multiplication of amount rupees and pies by number 18. So I told you already to write the rupees and pies. Yes. So 94 rupees, sorry, 15 rupees, 28 pies. So here there are 15 rupees and 25 pies. Okay, write 15 rupees in the rupees column and 25 paisa in the 25 pies column, right? Just write, that is multiplicand. You know, in every multiplication there are 3 terms. We need multiplicand and multiplier, and then after multiplication we get the result, it is called product. It is given here. You just learn these terms also. So these are called mathematical terms. Multiplicand, the number which is being here, it is called multiplicand. And what is the multiplier? The number which is multiplied, the multiplicand, it is called multiplier. After final result is called product. So 15 rupees 25 pies is our multiplicand and 18 rupees is the multiplier. How to multiply now? You know the multiplication process. Yeah, if you know the directly 18th table, okay, it is good to say the 18th table. Otherwise you can say 8th table and 1 table. So he did by using 18th table. 18 5s are 90. So he has written 0 in the ones place and 9 is a carry. When he carried, okay, not here, it is carry. So 18 2s are 36 plus 9 45. 5 has written and 4 is carried to the 10 hundreds place. And 18 5s are 90 plus 4, 94. So 4 is written and 9 is carried to there. Here it is carried. Then 18 1 18 plus 7 is 27. Altogether, he get 274 rupees 50 pies. So this is the way we multiply rupees and pies or money units, the particular numbers by particular numbers. Yeah. Yes. Then we'll go for the next. And how to divide money units? It is very simple. If you know that we know the process of division of whole numbers, the money units also same. Divide any amount with a number, we follow long division method. So to divide any amount with a number, we just what method we follow? Just we follow long division method, right? Here 108 is multiplying, sorry, 108 is divided by 12. You just divide 108 by 12. How many times 12 divides 108? If it is very easy when we are in the position to say all the tables. So my request is, but you people just concentrate on tables also. So most of the people are not able to say, but now you are going to be again in the track, so that every morning, early morning, at least we should study 15 minutes for tables. Every day, either if you know or don't know, you just take the tables book and read for 15 minutes. After 1 month, you are the gems in the tables. Sure, I am telling you, if you want, you can do that. Okay, next. 108 is divided by 12 9 times. See how many times it is divides. 12 nines, 108, 0. So how many terms are there in the division? As you know, the dividend is the dividing number. The divisor is in the which is divide the dividend, that is called a divisor. The result we get, that is a quotient, and what is the left, that is a remainder. So these are the mathematical terms which are related to division. Okay. Next. Then so finally I'm going to examples I'm going to tell you. So these use your white sheets for convert. Yes, convert 672 rupees into rupees, pies into rupees. I told you that 672 rupees, sorry, pies. How many 100 pies are here? 600 pies plus 72 pies. Okay, 600 pies makes 6 rupees plus 72 pies. How to write this? 6 rupees 72 pies. You can write this one like that. How many 100 pies are there? You just pick out. You just pick out number of pies, and then if it is there any remaining pies, you just write them. And 100 pies makes 1 rupee, 100. So how many hundreds of pies are there? You can write as many rupees and add excess pies. You will get, simply you get it to final amount, right? So 672 rupees pies makes, Emma, how much? 672 pies makes 6 rupees 72 pies. Next, find the cost of 25 meters cloth piece if the cost of 1 meter cloth price is 125 rupees. Yes, 1 meter cloth is 125 rupees, Nana. But we need to purchase 25 meters cloth. What is the amount? 1 meter cloth. Hey, 1 meter cloth is 125. We need to purchase 25 meters cloth. What should we do? We just multiply. So 25 meters okay, into 125 rupees. So you just multiply to get it. Okay, you just do it. Next, I'm going to show you one more. Okay, quick check. So take the currency notes and coins you have and convert each of them into pies. You just convert each of them into pies. Okay, 10 rupees తీసుకోండి. దానికి ఎన్ని రూపీస్ కావాలో అనేది ఒక జస్ట్ మీరు ఇంటర్ దగ్గర ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి అన్న. And find the money you have and what is that? Just wait and look for the object which you can purchase for that amount. సో మన దగ్గర ఉన్న పైసలతో మనం ఏమేమి కొనొచ్చు అనేది మీరు ఒకసారి ఎస్టిమేట్ చేసుకోండి. అండ్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ఫర్ ద క్వాంటిటీ ఆఫ్ 16 such ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్. ఒకవేళ 1 రూపీ, నా దగ్గర 5 రూపీస్ ఉన్నాయి, 5 రూపీస్ ఒక పెన్ను కొనగలను. మరి 16 పెన్స్ కొనాలంటే నా దగ్గర ఎంత అమౌంట్ ఉండాలి? బట్ అలా కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ యూ జస్ట్ జనరేట్ సమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అండ్ యూ జస్ట్ సాల్వ్ దెమ్. నెక్స్ట్, okay, pens, check your responses. It is all okay. Assessment is here. You just take one screenshot. Multiplication and division undi nana, avi meer screenshot తీసుకోండి. You just complete at home. First one is multiplication and division is there, and the second one the cost of one such box, divide cheyandi. Next, and this is one check. Next, let us practice. So how many of you are you ready to be a teacher? Yes, how many are ready to be a teacher? You just explain whatever the topic you learned today to the parent, right? So this is the worksheet. Yesterday also I have given worksheet to you, and take one screenshot of this worksheet. Screenshot తీసుకోండి. Okay, then this is all. What about what we want to discuss in the class? Yes, I am going to give permission those who need to speak anything to me. Just raise your hand if you want to ask any questions. It is only give 1 minute time for that, or 2 minutes. Okay, please raise your hands. Then only I will give them a permission to speak with me. Yes, Praveena, unmute and speak to me, Nana.
Sir.
Yes, what?
No, sir.
Yes, what is the topic we have discussed today in the session? What did you learn in the session?
5 rupees.
Nana? Okay, just a minute, I will give. Yes, okay, please unmute and tell me.
5 rupees.
Okay, amount, paisa, rupees and paisa.
Amount.
Yes, okay. Next, thank you. And Virat. Yes, Sai Krishna. Unmute.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
okay. What is, how to add money units?
Sir, ఏంటి?
How do
Sir?
we add money? Money add addition ela chestam? Like writing beside or just make a columns like that. You just say anything. Clear? My question is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. What is your answer? Anyone?
Columns.
Yeah. Nana Likita, are you there? Unmute yourself and tell me. You just take one screenshot of attendance and send it to me, please.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. And if anyone interested in the problem, you can do it. I just a particular person I have to say. That's why I just informed to her. Right. Okay, Nana. Here the thing is, what are the topics we have learned today? The first one is money units. They are rupees and pies. Okay. Convert larger units into smaller units. Smaller units into larger units. And rupees into pies and pies into rupees. That is. The third one is addition of money. Fourth one is subtraction of money. Fifth one is multiplication, and sixth one is division. So these are the topics we have learned in the session. I will come with a new topic in the next into the next session, right? Till then, take care. Bye bye. And yeah, workbook. First 7 questions have to complete in the workbook part 1. Everybody is taking the workbook, and
Yes, sir.
part 1 question, chapter 1, first 7 questions. It is very easy. We already learned all those topics. That is your work today. Along with that, and one screenshot I have given today in the session, that will be also complete. I think it is-
Sir, worksheet write in notebook.
yeah, workbook was no need. Workbook, in the workbook problems you can do in the workbook itself, and whatever the questions I have given in the session, that will be do in the notebook.
Sir, now you tell class in worksheet
Yeah,
questions.
okay, worksheet, write in the worksheet only.
Okay, sir.
And whatever one screenshot has given, no, that screenshot answers will be right in the notebook.
Okay, sir.
Right, Nana? Thank you. Send me the
Sir,
screenshot.
I will send attendance.
Attendance, right? Thank you.